Welcome. Assignment task is one of the key actions in the process. Each time when you need other people to involve in the process, you might need to create an assignment task and assign the task to the owners. This can be an approval task which requires the owner to approve or reject the request, or a complete task that requires the owners to take actions. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use the assignment task to automate your business process. First, go to the Workflow Designer and select the assignment task. Click the Settings icon. In the Task Setting window, change the name to Line Manager Approval. In the Task Assignee section, click the Add button. In the Assignee section window, there are a couple options you can choose. Click the Direct under the User tab and select a user from the users list. Then click Add button to add to the selected list. You can also select Expression and open the Expression Editor. To select the assignee from the workflow variables, or click the Instance Context and select Submitter, which identify the users who submitted the form. And select Line Manager. Then the assignee to be the line manager of the submitter. If selected multiple users as the assignee, you can choose to assign this task in parallel or one after one. Task form is the form that will be accessed by the task owner once the task is generated. You can select an existing task form from the list or create a new one. When creating a new task form, you can choose to copy from an existing form or create a new blank form. Let's select to copy from the existing and select the first form we created. The first form we created is called Submission Form. If you create the task form by copying from the submission form, all the controls on the form will be set to read-only by default. After the task form is created, it will be opened in the Form Designer. You can change the form if required. The task form will include a task action panel, which will include the action buttons for the task owner. You can change the name of this form or switch to other forms. Click Workflow on the top navigation bar to switch bar to the Workflow Designer. The new task form has been set as the form of this action. The task type can be set as the approval task or the complete task. The complete task includes the complete button, and the approval task includes the approve and reject button. Complete conditions identifies when the task will be completed. Click More Settings button. You can set the due date and the related reminders, or configure the email notifications. Use assignment task to define the workflow process and assign the right person for each step to automate your business. Well, that's all for now. To learn more about Workflow Builder, check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.